Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Waffle House eggs using an easy method. First, crack 2 large eggs into a small bowl. Add a small splash of milk or water, about 1 tablespoon, and whisk gently until just combined. Avoid over-whisking to keep the texture light. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your preheated non-stick pan over medium-low heat, ensuring it coats the entire surface. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour your egg mixture into the pan. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. This creates those signature soft curds we all love. Keep folding the eggs gently, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes until the eggs are mostly set but still look a little moist. This is key for that fluffy, tender texture. Remove the pan from the heat immediately. The residual heat will finish cooking them perfectly without drying them out. Now, carefully slide your perfectly cooked Waffle House-style eggs onto a warm plate. For an authentic experience, serve them alongside some crispy bacon, golden hash browns, or a slice of buttered toast. These eggs are incredibly versatile and make a fantastic addition to any breakfast spread. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.